Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Rogue cabin air filter. First, gather your new filter and prepare for a quick, straightforward task. This essential maintenance helps keep the air inside your car fresh and clean, filtering out dust and pollen. You should aim to replace your cabin air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or at least once a year, to maintain optimal air quality. It's a simple process that most people can do themselves. To begin, you'll need to access the cabin air filter housing, which is usually located behind the passenger side glove box. Start by opening the glove box. Look for a small damper arm on the right side and carefully detach it. Next, gently squeeze the sides of the glove box inward to release its stoppers, allowing it to swing down completely and reveal the filter housing behind it. This step provides clear access to the filter compartment. Once the glove box is down, you'll see the rectangular filter housing cover. There's usually a tab or clip on the right side. Press it to release and remove the cover. Carefully pull out the old cabin air filter. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter, as the new one must be installed in the same orientation, typically pointing towards the rear of the vehicle. Now, gently compress and slide your new filter into the housing. After installing the new filter, make sure it's fully seated and then snap the filter housing cover back into place until it clicks securely. Carefully lift the glove box, re-engaging the side stoppers and reattaching the damper arm. This simple maintenance improves your vehicle's air quality and HVAC performance. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keeping up with this small task can make a big difference in your driving comfort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.